Hey everybody, how's it going? Hopefully everybody's doing well. It's been a minute since I done a quick diagnostic, but I have a little downtime today, being that we have a ice storm over here in Texas. But I just wanted to show you I have a compressor on the GE French door that's not cooling, and I'm going to check a couple of things here. The 5 volts on the inverter and the 120 volts coming in. I also like to check the compressor windings to make sure that they all ohm out the same. But I'm measuring that 120 coming from that board all the way down to that inverter, which I did confirm. I also confirmed 5 volts, which was the data signal. So of course I opened it up, we got room temperature in this refrigerator, and everything's running except the compressor. Usually on these I like to go down and see if that fan's working, which it is, and the compressor is just cool to the touch. But there's the incoming signal there for 5 volts, and then the 120 volts that I need to test, and that's my suspect right there, the inverter. So I did take my measurement here. I did confirm. So that tells me that the board is sending the signal out, which I can rule out. Have my 5 volts DC there. Also have my 120 volts coming in, supplying that inverter. So basically at this point, that inverter needs to get replaced. And there's videos out there showing how to install that. I'm just giving a quick diagnostic on what I do to test these, to make sure. But I come back, plug it in after I get the part, and you got to give it a second. There we go, that compressor's running, that inverter's installed, and basically it's got to wait to cool down. But I'll be coming up with some more videos here pretty soon, but just wanted to give a quick update and a quick diagnostic on this GE refrigerator not cooling.